Hi guys, welcome to my channel at Easy Surveys, where we make all survey practices to be easier. In this video, I want to show you on how to extract coordinates from Google Earth and transform to our local datum. So the Google Earth uses WGS84 datum for all coordinates on it. So it is actually on WGS84 datum. So I'm going to extract a coordinate. As you can see, this is a property here. So this particular method can be used for online Reiki. So in the case that you do not want to go to the site in the first instance, but you have an overview of the boundary line like this, okay, and you want to confirm the area of the particular land to know the plot in order to know how you are going to tax your or charge your clients. So you can actually make use of this method. So this video is just meant for you, all right? As well as in the case for some datum coordinate conversion and datum transformation, you as well as find this video helpful. All right, so these are the basic use and importance of this video. So I'm just going to extract one of the edge of the property coordinates by just going to my add place mark here. Okay, then I'm going to change the icon to something that will give me better result. You can actually use this bigger size, but I love using this circle, so I'm just going to reduce that. All right, so click on OK. So I'm going to drag the point to one of the edge. I'll try as much as possible to be precise with the point, the edge. So this is it there. All right, so here I'm just going to copy this coordinate. So as you can see, this is the coordinate of this point, so eastings and northings. So make sure that your system is connected to an active internet, else it will not read the accurate coordinates for you. Do you understand? So what I'm just going to do is to copy these coordinates and paste to my global mapper. So I'm just going to open my global mapper to show you how to do the setup. So I'll be dropping the video description. I've actually have a video on how to do the setting up on global mapper for coordinate conversion. So I'm just going to go to my tools, go to coordinate converter, and so I'm just, what we want to do is to transform from WGS84 to MENA. So here my input coordinate system is going to be WGS84, okay, and it's going to be UTM because it is actually grid system WGS84. So I'm going to leave it at UTM. In case yours is not there, you click on that, then choose UTM. All right, so the zone here, the property is at zone 31. All right, so it's somewhere in Lagos, Nigeria. So the datum, okay, what I'm converting from is WGS84. So I'm just going to scroll and search for WGS. So up here somewhere we are going to find WGS84. all right, so here is WGS84. So I'm going to click on my datum as WGS84 and click on OK on this part. So here is the datum, here is the grid zones, and here is the UTM zone. All right, so here for my target output coordinate system, I'm going to select the output coordinate system to be here as well, is UTM. Okay, UTM, I'm going to click the zone, the same zone. All right, zone 31. Then the datum is MENA in this case. Okay, MENA, Nigeria. So I'm just going to scroll to look for that. Alright, so here is MENA, Nigeria. So I'm now going to click on OK. So here the UTM should tally with the UTM, the grid. The datum is what is transforming, is going to be different, while the zone is going to be the same. Do we understand? So here I'm going to input my coordinates by copying this instance of this point. Then I'm going to paste it here. I'll do the same for the northings. Alright, then I'll click on convert to. So you can see it is successful. I'll click on OK. So this is the coordinates of that same point on MENA UTM. Okay, so this is the particular coordinate you can use to plot this job on AutoCAD can use to plot this job on AutoCAD. So you can choose to extract each boundary points, all right, if you are so sure about it, then plot it on AutoCAD. That particular plan is going to be on the local datum, which is the mina, and it is acceptable in this region of Nigeria. So if you are somewhere else in different geographic region, you should have understanding of the datum you use, so that you can come and do the setup here and everything will be in place. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you next time. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as share the video to as many as possible. Thank you.